Welcome to Maths today. We are going to be counting in 2s, 5s and 10s and using this to find some missing numbers. Let's have a look at the numbers on the screen. First we need to work out if they are counting in 2s, 5s or 10s. So I have 2, 4, 6, 2 numbers missing, 12, 14. I know these are counting in my 2s, so my missing numbers should be 8 and 10. Have a look at the next one and see if you can figure out the missing numbers before I get there. So I have 5, 10, something's missing, 20, 25, something's missing. Do you think we're counting in 2s, 5s or 10s? If you said 5s, well done, you've got it right. So what numbers are we going to have here? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If you counted along with me and you got it right, good job. I wonder what number we're counting in this time. 30, 40, oh, don't know that one. 60, 70, don't know that one. 2s, 5s or 10s. You decide. Let's see if you can count along and get them right with me. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this time, my numbers are still counting in 2s, 5s or 10s, but they're going backwards. My number is decreasing, which means it's going down. So I'm still counting, I've still got my pattern, but it's going the opposite way. So just be careful of this when you're finding the missing one. So I've got 20, 18, which number do you think comes next? 16, 14, 12 and 10. If you got the same as me, good job. So with a number sequence, there's always a rule that does not change. So the first thing we need to check is whether the numbers are increasing, so getting bigger, or decreasing and getting smaller. So this time I can see they are getting bigger, so they are increasing. Then I need to look at how many each one is increasing by. So if I start at 4, how do I get to 6? Well, I need to add 2 more. How do I get to 8? I need to add 2 more. So my pattern, my rule is starting to appear. How do I get to 10? I add 2 more, and that will be the same all the way down my number sequence. So if we have a look at this one, I've already worked out that it's increasing, my numbers are getting bigger, and I've already worked out that to get from the first number to the second number, I need to add 3. And then I need to add 3 again, and add 3 again. So following my pattern, let's see if you can work out what my next number is going to be. So what number is coming after 17? If you got 20, well done. Okay, can you work out the 2 missing numbers this time? So first thing to look at, are the numbers increasing or decreasing? I've helped you a little bit by adding the pattern. I'm taking away 3 each time. So what's my next number going to be? 8, take away 3. You should have 5, and then let's repeat it again. 5, take away 3. Our answer is 2. Okay, no help this time. Are these numbers increasing or decreasing? Now have a look at the difference between each number. What are you adding to each number to get the next one? So if I start with 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now to get to 31, 28, 29, 30, 31. Can you count again the same amount? What's the next number? Have you got the same as me? And try it again. Well done if you had 35 and 39. Let's have another practice before we look at our challenge today. Are these numbers increasing or decreasing? Now we don't know what this number is, so we can't look at how we got from this number to this number, but we can use the 3 numbers that are together. So let's look at 46 and count on to 51. How many are we jumping? And then try the same from 51. How do you get to 56? So use that pattern to find the missing numbers. 36, add that number. And then repeat it at the end. Let's see if you get the same as me. So today's challenge is to fill in the missing numbers. So each line has a different pattern. It's adding or taking away the same number each time. So you need to use that pattern to find the missing numbers. Remember to always check first if the numbers are increasing or decreasing. Then when you've finished, you have a word problem challenge to have a go at as well.